Arrest means गिरफ्तार करना. गिरफ्तार करना. Shortage means अभाव. Approve means मंजूरी देना. Painstaking means परिश्रमी. Preclude बंद करना. Preclude means बंद करना. Enmity means शत्रुता. Encircle means घेरा डालना. Artful means कपटी. Beginner means नौसिखिया. Tiresome means थकाऊ. Fascinating मनोहर. Hurdle means रुकावट. Outspoken means मुखर. Reduce means कम करना. Awkward means अजीब. Dirty means गंदा. Entice means फुसलाना. Despoil लूटना. Despoil means लूटना. Ruin means नष्ट करना. Enlarge means विस्तार करना. Obvious means स्पष्ट. Magnificent means शानदार. Arrogant means अभिमानी. Attribute means विशेषता. Diminish means कम करना. Malevolent means दुष्ट. Diffident means संकोची. Bravery means वीरता. Negligent means लापरवाह. Lure means प्रलोभन. Protract means देर करना. Yield means राजी होना. Devote means समर्पित करना. Fair means निष्पक्ष. Abstain means बचना. Giant means विशाल. Remove means हटाना. Misfortune means दुर्भाग्य. Hopeless means निराशाजनक. Curtail means घटाना. Brutal means निष्ठुर. Tarnish means कलंक लगाना. Untimely means बेवक्त. Prohibit means रोक लगाना. Enforce means विवश करना. Appease means शांत करना. Acute. Acute means chalak. Acute, chalak. Insipid. Insipid means beshwad. Insipid, beswad. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.